Hi, hello. Welcome to Geogy classes. Last class we worked out one problem on profit and loss appropriation account, right? In partnership accounts, basics of partnership accounts we are learning, fundamentals of partnership accounts we were learning. In that, what is partnership? If there is no partnership deed, how to treat few transactions, and what is the partnership appropriation account? These are the things we discussed. Now, in this question, you are going to discuss if there is a guarantee of profit. If we couldn't reach, then how to treat them. Okay, that's what we are learning here. First of all, what is that? That we will discuss. Okay, now here I have given one question. There are two partners A and B. A and B were doing business together. And according to their partnership deed, 3:2 ratio, they are sharing their profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, they are gonna share their profits and loss. They admitted one partner C. In between, they have admitted one partner C and they are planning to give him 1/6 of share. Now the ratio will be 3:2:1. Then only they can give 1/6 share to C. Now, their net profit during the year is 80,000. And business has guaranteed the new partner, whoever is entering, we will give you whatever is the profit, whatever is the share you are getting, we will give you 25,000 minimum. If you get according to the share less, it is our duty to make it 25,000 and pay you. If it is more, yes, as usual you can take your share. Okay. Now here you got 80,000, but they have guaranteed 25,000. If we didn't get 25,000, only less amount if you got, how do you share that balance to? That we are learning here. Okay. If at all you didn't, yes, if you didn't get the total share of 25,000 according to the profit whatever you got, then how do we treat them? How they are gonna make that payment? How do they adjust that amount that you are gonna learn? Okay. So now let us see first what is the profit given in the question? 80,000. So generally what is the share they are getting? Let us check it out. And after that, how do these people A and B are adjusting the less amount or deficiency that we will find out from the deficit, whatever is there that we will be finding here. Okay. So profit is 80,000. C's share. How much he will get? 80,000 into 1/6. Then how much you will get? 80,000 into 1/6. You got 13,333. C share we got 13,333. How much we promised? 25,000 we are ready to pay. But how much you got? 13,333 only. Now the balance, what is the deficiency or what is the deficit here? Guaranteed 25,000. Okay. From the net profit, how much you got? 13,333. Now what is the deficit? You will be getting 11,667 is the deficit. Who is paying this one? This amount will be paid by A and B. So how do they pay? Are they paying equally? No, they can't pay equally. Why? Because already they are sharing everything in the ratio of 3:2. So now this one also they have to share in the ratio of 3:2 only. Okay. Now A share, how much you will get? 11,667 into 3 divided by 5. So 11,667 into 3 divided by 5. 7,000. You got 7,000. Now B share 11,667 into 2/5. So check it out how much you will get into 2 divided by 5. it is 4,667. So this is how they are sharing the deficit which they are supposed to pay to C. Okay, now how do we show this in the profit and loss appropriation account? Let us check it out. Okay, so first according to the format what we are writing, by profit and loss account. What is the total profit we got? 80,000. So this 80,000 must be shared between the three partners A, B and C. So now let's see what is A share. To A's share. How much he should get? 80,000 into 3 by 6. How much he should get? 80,000 into 3 by 6. $40,000 he is supposed to get. In that, how much he is paying? 7,000 he is giving to C. Okay? Less deficit to C he is giving. How much? 7,000. Now how much he got? 33,000. His total share according to the ratio he is supposed to get 40,000. But 7,000, here you can check it out. 7,000 A is giving to C. So if I subtract that 7,000, now he is getting profit of 33,000 only. Now let us see what is B share. To B share, 80,000 into 2 by 6. We will be getting 26,667. In this, less deficit to C. How much he is giving? He is paying 4,667. 4,667. Now how much he has? 22,000. Okay. According to the ratio, total profit is 80,000. In that, B share 2 by 6 because the ratio is 3:2:1. When they shared it, he got 2 by 6. So total we got 26,667. This is the total share he is supposed to get. But C got some deficit. In the deficit, B is paying 4,667. So now that 4,000 is not with B, right? So only that we have shown here. Now he is getting only 22,000. Clear? Now, what is C share? What is C share? 80,000 into 1 by 6. How much you will get? Already we have done 13,333. Now who are paying him? A also giving and B also giving. So add from A, how much he is getting? 7,000, and from B, how much he is getting? 4,667. Now do the total. Plus 7,000 plus 4,667. So it is 25,000. Now do he got the total amount 25,000? That is what we have guaranteed, right? So now how do you solve this question? First, what is the net profit? In that, how much we have guaranteed to the new partner? Okay, how much we have guaranteed to the new partner, that you have to cross check. Now, according to the given profit, first check the net profit, how much you got. From there, what is the actual share of C, actual share of the new partner? How much it is you calculate? We got 13,000. 13,333 you got. Now, how much is the deficiency? How much we are supposed to get? Total 25,000 we need. You got profit only 13,000. Now, 11,667 is the less amount. So, that amount will be adjusted by A and B. They both are only going to adjust that amount. How do they adjust? Whatever profit they are getting, from that they have to give to C. Why? Because they have promised the guaranteed profit of 25,000. Okay. So how do you calculate? Whatever is the deficit, that must be shared in the ratio 3:2. That is given in the starting itself. Okay. So in that ratio, when you share, we got this is the amount. Now, when you are sharing the profits, according to the ratio, A is supposed to get 40,000. But after giving 7,000 to C, now he is having only 33,000. Clear? Now, B share according to the 80,000 and in the ratio of 3:2:1, he is supposed to get 26,667. But he is giving to C 4,000. So he got only 22,000. Now C, according to the ratio, he should get 13,000 only. But he was promised to receive 25,000 rupees profit. So he has taken from A and B. How much he has taken, that you have to add. Now do the total. The total will be tallying. It is 80,000 both the side. So this is guarantee of profit. Now here both of them shared in the old ratio. Sometimes in the question they will give maybe only one partner can share, or else they will give some new ratio, or else they will ask you to find out the ratio. So there are different methods to solve this guarantee of profit. So according to the given question, according to the data, you have to check which method you are following. Method will be same. Who is giving the amount, that you have to check, and then you will be solving the question. Okay. Those methods also we will do soon. Please keep watching my videos. If you are having any doubts or any new topics you want to learn, please mention in the comments. Comments are there, right? Please mention over there. So till that time, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.